So today, I will show you how to level up in Dead by Daylight. Leveling up in Dead by Daylight mainly comes from playing the game and earning experience points through different activities. You can gain XP by playing as a killer or as a survivor. Every match you play gives you experience based on your actions during gameplay, such as chasing, repairing generators, rescuing teammates, or interacting with objectives. Even if you don't win, you still earn XP just by participating. You can also level up by completing quests. This includes daily rituals, event challenges, and Rift Pass challenges. These quests give extra rewards and help you gain levels faster. Playing custom games, entering the Rift Pass, and staying active in different game modes all contribute to your overall progress. The more you play and complete activities, the faster you level up. And that's it. That's how you level up in Dead by Daylight.